Up to now, I have shown you how to create a data frame, how to select a data frame, columns, and also how to define custom columns and other things. Now I'd like to show you how to filter rows in a data frame in a Spark. So let's get started using the previously data frame which I had. So if I want to show it, I can use the z.showDF. And you can see that I have these columns: asset, platform, unit, trade name, buy date, buy price, and buy sell price. So I'd like to use the same data frame now to show you the filtering. For filtering, I can use the filter function, and I can say call filter, call, for example, platform. I'd like to choose only the platform plus 500. This is the name of the platform. And if I say that show df.column platform, probably the platform column I wrote it wrongly on platform. So let me correct it. If I use this filter called platform equals to plus 500, then it shows only the plus 500 platforms rows. Of course, I can use directly the z.show here, and it is an expression. This part is an expression, and then it will show, and z.show is an action in a Spark. If you'd like to know more about the expression versus actions, please watch the Scala tutorial series, which I explain in detail the expressions versus actions in Scala and Spark. So if I plus z.show, you can see all the columns here similarly, but only for plus 500 platform. So here we have plus 500 eToro, and again here we have plus 500 only. Suppose that you'd like to consider two conditions instead of one condition. Again, I'm writing z.show. Let me make this a little bit bigger. I said df.filter. Let me write, okay, call equals to, this time I'd like to say to filter it based on the trade name, like the company or the trade. I'd like to choose only Amazon. Or I'd like to have another trade name, which is trade name equal to Facebook. So either this one or that one, I'd like to see the trades or the rows here. Again, something is not, I think one parenthesis is missing or no. Okay, this is one expression here. This is extra, I think. This is extra. Then, or this one, this should be working. And as you can see that only stocks of Amazon and Facebook are selected, both from the platform eToro and plus 500. Of course, instead of or, you can also use other operators. So let me show an example with and. So let me write val and example df. Let me make this a little bit bigger. df.filter call trade name equals to Facebook and call platform equals to plus 500. It means that I'd like to select only the Facebook stock and also from the platform plus 500 only. So if I write and example, and I'd like to show this, should be able to see there is only one stock from platform 5 plus 500, which that stock is Facebook. Other operators are also possible, so let me show you another example of not equal and greater than operator. So for example, let me say another example, df And if I write df.filter call unit, for example, greater than 0.5, meaning that I have bought more than half a unit. And then another condition which I'd like to impose is that the column name to be trade name, like from which stock I'd like to have it. Oh, I don't like to have it from Amazon, not equal. We use equal, exclamation mark equal, which means that not equal Amazon. Then I'm using another example df to show that the resulting data frame. So here something is wrong. Yes, the filter, I didn't write it properly. You can write like this, and then you can see the stocks are here. The platform Amazon does not appear. Of course, the trade name Amazon does not appear. All of the units are bigger than 0.5. So these are the AND condition and the NOT operator. So NOT operator, we can apply it like this. And also AND condition is here. Greater than or equal is like this. So to recap, if we have the original data frame like here, then we can apply the filter function, the filter.filter, and then we can define our conditions, like for example, platform equal to only plus 500. Of course, we can combine with different operators, for example, or multiple conditions, like trade name equal to Amazon or trade name equal to Facebook. We can also combine it with AND conditions, like two columns at the same time have a certain condition to filter the rows. Or we can also use the not equal to exclude the specific rows, and also we can also deal with the conditions related to the numerical values, like greater than or equal or less than equal, and so on.